Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make thread in Bamboo Studio. So first of all, simply open your Bamboo Studio application. Then you can either create or import the object that you want to thread. For example, I have this particular object available, but you can also just right click on the plate and hover over to the add primitive section. Among the given shapes, you can just simply select the option of, let's say, cylinder. Then you can use the scale tool and then you can increase or decrease its size, something like this. So currently I have this particular tool available, so I'm going to show you on this particular object only. So after selecting your shape, you just have to hover over to the top, then click on the option of cut. You can also press C on your keyboard. So once you have it, you are going to see these types of circles around that particular shape. So you just have to simply position the cut plane where you want the lid to separate from the container. So let's say I'm going to just simply select it over here. So after selecting it, what you need to do next is to simply click on the option of add connectors. So after selecting the option of add connectors, you are going to see the type of connector. So over here among these, the last option would be of thread. So you need to simply click on the option of thread. Now, once you have selected the option of thread, you can adjust these settings. So you are going to have the option of size, which is going to set the diameter of the thread. Then we have the depth ratio, which is going to control how deep the threads are. Afterwards, we have the option of placement as well, which is going to select the middle of geometry to center the thread automatically. So over here, at a starting point, if your container is 90 mm in diameter, a thread size of 87 mm usually leaves enough wall thickness for a strong print. So once you have all the settings adjusted successfully, you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on the option of confirm connectors. After confirming it, you just have to click on the option of perform cut. So once this is done, you are going to see this type of thread available on top of your shape, as you can see it over here. So once this is done, you can also right click on the container. Then you just have to simply select the option of add negative part. Over here, simply select the cylinder shape. Now you need to simply resize the cylinder in order to create the internal cavity. So once this is done, you can just simply adjust it and align to the object. Then you need to select the option of move and select the option of Z, position until the cavity basically reaches to the desired depth. So once this is done, you just have to simply just click on the option of slice plate in order to go to the preview tab. If you have created a lid, you can also rotate it to 180° on the x-axis in the prepare tab in order to verify that both the threaded parts align correctly before printing. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.